Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have an Ipsy Glam bag for you for November 2019. This is $12 a month and you get 5 sometimes there's full-size products in there, sometimes it's deluxe sample size, or sometimes it's just a regular sample size, but I think most of the time when I have opened this bag, I've gotten at least one full-size item, whether it be some kind of mask or a brush or anything. And I also have an add-on in here as well. So let's get started. If you don't know, my name is Miranda and this is my channel, Doing Life. I do all kinds of beauty and lifestyle and clothing unboxings, and then I also do lifestyle videos including vlogs and decorating. Actually, if you hear noise in the background right now, it is because we are doing a renovation project in our family room. Alright, so you might hear drilling and all that kind of thing. Alright, the first thing I'm pulling out is this brush by Vasanti. I really like the color of it. It's really, really pretty. I just think that slate gray color is so sleek. I just love it. It's very soft. You can probably hear in there. I tried to close the doors. And it is a concealer buffer brush. So we've got that item. The next item that I have is my add-on, and it is Through My Eyes. It's by ColourPop, and it's a pressed powder eyeshadow palette. I have been seeing some ColourPop in the Ipsy add-ons lately, and I have been getting them. And so far, I have not been disappointed. Alright, so this is what the outside of it looks like. It's got a green color. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Look at that. That is so pretty. Those are really nice colors. That Emerald Dream right here is really, really pretty. And yeah. And it also has a big mirror as well. I'll go ahead and show you the mirror. So that's nice. I will swatch those in just a second, but let's go ahead and see what is in the rest of the bag. Hopefully that doesn't fall off there. All right, the bag is the animal print. It has the little tassels on there. I got all 3 bags this month. I got the Ultimate, which is $50, the Plus, which is $25, and then this bag as well, the $12 one. All right. And so far, none of my bags have had a card in them, but it looks like this one does, so that's good. The theme this month is Wild Side, and it is in a collaboration with Gigi Gorgeous. Never heard of her before, so if you know who that is, then you're doing better than I am. All right, and the brush, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 items on this card, so the brush I did order as an add-on as well. It must have been maybe $3, and I think the palette was $12. All right, the first thing is by Ola Neon Tinted Lip Balm. Call Me is the color. And it has this clear case. That's kind of cool. And let's see. It says, they're fun, lighthearted, and full of spirit. Ola Neon's products always make us smile. Made in a universally flattering rose nude, this tinted balm hydrates and softens lips while enhancing your natural lip color and builds from a sheer wash to a rich yet natural looking color. Alright, let's give this a whirl and see how it is. I'm wearing ColourPop today on my lips. I forget which one it is, but it's from the Disney Villains collection. Alright, I sit on a stool, and so I try to hold everything, and sometimes it doesn't work out too good for me. I'm trying to see how I can, oh, it's got a clear plastic on it as well. Maybe now we're getting somewhere. Yes, 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 yes. All right, let's throw the paper up there. That took long enough to get into, don't you think? But, ooh, that is the color. I think what I have on is pretty similar to this, but it is nice and creamy. Yep, it's very similar to what I already have on. All right, I love getting lipsticks, lippies, lip gloss, anything like that. I enjoy. All right, let's put that there. And then the next thing I have is by Lovecraft Beauty. It is a blush. I think a couple months ago I got a palette from Lovecraft Beauty, and I think it was my very first Ipsy Plus, so that might have been like maybe back in the summer, and it was a bronzing palette, and I really like it. So that's what it looks like. And let's see if I can get it open. Yep. That's the color, and then it does have a mirror, as you can see right there. I'm not going to swatch it just because I have a ton of blushes open right now that I really don't need it, but the color is Ascalia, I think is what it's called. Let me put it back in here the way it's supposed to go. There's that. Let's see what the card says. A brand that's about showing your self-love, made by makeup artist Francelle Dolly. Lovecraft Beauty celebrates unique style and self-care. This light reflecting rosy pink shade delivers a natural looking flush of color, is easily buildable, and blends like a dream. All right, the next thing I'm going to pull out of here is Perfect, there's something all over these. Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, Color Protectant, Nature Lab. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Oh, it's for your hair. Your perfect hair is just a wash away. Protect color, strengthen hair, and shield strands from future damage with this deep conditioning treatment from Nature Lab, Tokyo. Fortified with bamboo stem cells and smart keratin, this hydrating treatment delivers even on the first use. Applied to cleansed hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse out thoroughly, avoid direct contact with your eyes. So let's open this up and see if it has, it's just got like this little clear. That smells pretty good. It's not all the way full, but it's good enough, I guess. And it looks like it has the consistency of a conditioner. So that's what that looks like. Alrighty. Then I have this little pot right here. We all probably know what this is. This is Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. This is actually, I'm gonna open it because I have never had a Bum Bum cream. Coco Cabana cream. Hang on just a second. All right, sorry about that weird little edit right in the middle. But this is the Sol de Janeiro cream. And I love the little color, it's really pretty. So let's open this up and see how it feels. Once again, not quite full in there. I wish they would fill stuff up like that, but I have heard other people say that it has that buttered popcorn smell to it, and it really actually does. So, anywho, I'm just gonna try to put that back on there so I can scrape off all off the lid that I can get. But it does feel really nice. That's real nice. Let's see. This Brazilian beauty brand creates confidence boosting products like this Better Than Ever body cream. It's made with coconut oil, kapaku butter, I don't know, and their signature cocoa sugar blend to deliver up to 72 hours of hydration. The Coco Cabana body cream all over your body in a circular motion. Use it on damp skin after you shower to lock in moisture. So that's nice. All right, and then I have one more item in here. Put that down there. And it is in some kind of bubble wrap, so I don't know what it is. I have got to clean this place up. My house is such a mess because we've just been going. We're always like that. All right, this is by Wonder Beauty. And After Hours. It's a glow highlighter. This single highlighter from cruelty-free Wonder Beauty is an Ipsy exclusive that delivers a long-lasting, soft, radiant glow to your complexion. Enriched with sunflower seed oil, camellia seed oil, this glowy powder hydrates and soothes your skin upon contact. Let's see if I can get it open without... Oh, it's got tape. I kind of wish they wouldn't tape them because I'm probably not going to keep this, and now the tape is going to be messed up. But we'll see what I can do. All right. Okay, I did get it. All right, so it's just a little single-use highlighter. But I have a lot of highlighter, just like I have a lot of blush. So I will put this in a giveaway as well. All right, so just a little recap what was in my bag here. I have the Wonder Beauty highlighter, the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, the Love Beauty highlighter, Lovecraft Beauty highlighter, the lipstick, which I am going to keep. The color was Call Me. Then I have the hair mask that I'm looking forward to trying. And that's what was in my bag. Now let's play with this ColourPop just really quick. I won't do all of them. I'll try to do another video where I test out this palette, but I am really curious to play with this Emerald Dream color right here. Ooh, look at that. That actually shows up. How about Moody? That's really pretty too. Moody. And let's go with this one right here, Lomo. Ooh, look at that. Those are really, really nice. Let's go with Mesmerize. I love that name right here. I've been drawn to some golds lately, so that's that. All right, if you want to see me do a get ready with me with this palette, let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. It does mean a whole lot to me and it helps me out a great deal. And I'll see you in my next Ipsy video. Bye.